you have here for foreign currency evaluation. You have here in accounts payable foreign currency revaluation. Okay, foreign currency evaluation. You say here the method will be the invoice date. System will check the invoice date. Considered date is today. What is the date of rate? Okay. Today. Okay. Use posting profile. Okay, for which posting profile you can select also posting profile and which dimensions if you need a specific dimension, and you can select which vendor account. You can select which vendor account. You can make currency evaluation. You can make it for customer also. Like no, not one by one. It's for you. If you need to make by one, you can select here vendor. If you need to make it for all vendors, don't select anything here.
Okay, if we say dimensions basically project department cost center, what is at the time of capturing data? Correct? The
What, Mr.
revaluation,
Rakesh?
revaluation
Yeah,
cost should also go into the same accounts which
yeah,
is used for capturing the cost.
yeah. See, this is accounts. This is for foreign currency valuation. If you go to ledger, you will find here this is accounts, and we will also catch dimensions. Yes. So here I will add here description. Okay.
But here you are saying dimensions none. That's the reason I said
Where
that.
is dimension none?
Go up another box which is open. After, yeah,
Ah,
here.
yes,
So dimension is posting dimension, right?
posting. Yes, the posting one. I can choose none and which table, and I can select posting one, and I can select also print.
Okay, let's see what happens. So no rates or okay, printer is okay.
If there is any variant, system will apply, but I don't think that says no new rates. It will applicable if new rates update.
So yesterday we were talking like who will update those rates
The
and
fixed rates.
how we can, like we can do Excel upload 5-7 items, or we can go manually also change.
Yeah.
If because you have given all currencies,
Yes.
so there are many sites they can take the current rate at the end of month and upload it. So system knows current rate.
Okay, system it will be clear case if we have create invoice with specific rate. Okay, reporter is not working. Okay, if we have invoice with rate and the payment with another rate.
Yeah, yeah, that's
Okay.
okay.
So we have here.
Or either a balance sheet period.
Yes. Let's see the exchange rates here. Currency. The exchange rate type, the default one. We have only exchange rate, so no adjustments happen. Okay, for example, if we say we can add here from 1st of February. Okay, the exchange rate will be 3.85. Okay.
3.755.
Yeah.
It's the pegged currency, 3.755. That's good.
Okay, I say okay, no problem. We can 3.76.
Okay.
Sorry, 3.76. We can make it like this.
Okay.
This is the start date. This is the next date. Okay. There is no transactions haven't. Okay, let's make invoice, vendor invoice with this rate and the big payment with another rate. Okay, from the accounts payable. Okay, invoice journal. Okay, new, sorry, new invoice journal, vendor invoice. Make sure that is not required approval from my side. Okay, add lines. Okay, this is vendor account. Okay, vendor, what is the account? invoice for description, test, currency, revaluation, and we make sure that the date is the 1st of Jan. Okay, and for the currency I will change the currency to USD, right? Okay, the vendor transaction will be $5,000. Offset account is bank, and this is bank. Okay,
So you are paying him money.
vendor's credit.
Vendor is credit.
Yeah,
So you are receiving money from him.
vendor credit.
Also
No.
invoice you are booking.
Yeah, invoice.
So offset account why bank? It should go to cost.
Sorry, yeah, you're right. It should be costs, right?
Isn't it?
Yeah, you're right. But vendor's credit, okay.
Vendor is credit, so you will debit the cost.
Okay, we can search for cost.
Yeah.
Cost material aggregates, for example. Okay, system will ask you which project. I have select civil. Only civil projects will appear.
Yeah, okay. Kaka, no problem.
Okay, this one, okay?
Okay.
Okay. This is vendor financial dimensions account. Which department? D20. Which project? P54, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Any other data? I don't think. No data else. Okay, validate. Employee to approve. Okay.
Why this error comes? It is coming in most of the cases. We need to do workflow.
No, the invoice should be approved. Okay, so we have here in general, you have here, this is the exchange rate from system.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, by the way, the user for invoice screen, he cannot change the rate. Okay, validate and post. Okay, I will make the payment for the vendor in a different rate. New vendor payment civil. Okay, lines. This is a vendor. No. This is a vendor account. Function settlement. This is 5,000 USD.
Yeah.
Okay. Transaction date.
Okay, 18,800. Transaction you will make 1st February.
Yes. Sorry, I need to.
Why?
Yeah, it's okay, it's right.
Sorry. So why you delete?
I think that is 1st of January. Sorry. Description. Vendor.
Payment test currency.
Yes. Payment test revaluation. Okay. Function settlement. This one. Okay. Offset if I click to
Offset
general.
will be bank now because you are paying money.
Yeah, credit. System is calculated it by Saudi Riyal. I will change it for USD, right? USD.
Because it has it did the revaluation automatically based on the rate that you.
Yes.
Yeah.
General 3.76.
Okay.
Okay.
But offset account bank.
Yeah, offset account here will be bank.
Okay.
Financial dimension for the accounts. Okay. It's from the invoice.
Okay.
Okay, financial dimension for the offset account. Also validate. Currency is not allowed for this bank account. Let's see.
It isn't defined in real.
Yeah.
But it should allow.
Okay, so if I have here in currency management options, edit, I can define more currencies.
Okay.
All bank accounts we use multiple currencies.
To be more practical, how it is done. We have an invoice, let's say $5,000.
Yes.
Okay, you prepare the bank transfer. We do the translation. We do the revaluation in real. We put how much it is.
So
let's say
multiple currency
18,000 real or 19,000, whatever, 0.375.
Okay.
Then at the time we make this transfer, but it's also wrong.
So we add here by 5,000 real.
Allow multiple currency for the setup. He was asking question for setup. Now let's make this transaction understand. Okay.
Validate and then post.
Now run valuation. Okay.
So the invoice now is different from I have paid the vendor 18.
Invoice is 18,800.
Yeah. No, this is the payment.
Okay.
Let's see the invoice. Vendor transactions. Where is this? Vendor transactions. This is invoiced. 5,000. Come on, equals. This is $5,000. It equals 18,750. So there is 50 real difference, right? So we will go to run the revaluation from accounts payable, foreign currency revaluation. Okay, foreign currency revaluation. We can also make simulation.
Okay, to see the result.
Yeah.
Okay.
Method, invoice date, consider date as today, date of rate today. I can select for specific vendor account.
No issues. Let's do for all.
It will take time. And which currency I can select? USD, for example. And I click OK. Okay. Reporting is not working. Let's make it foreign currency. Make it not post.
Did you post it on the payment transaction?
Yeah, I post, but reports.
You choose simulation, right?
Yeah.
I'm thinking how it allows you to post the transaction.
He is not posted. He is just running a simulation.
Yeah.
This one, the payment transaction.
Payment?
Yeah, how it shouldn't allow.
Why?
Because there is a difference of 50.
No, the system will allow you to
payment of $5,000.
Yeah, same $5,000 you have paid.
Because you choose $5,000.
So we paid in dollar also.
You can
multiple currency means that if you are making a transfer of $5,000, you will select that.
Yeah. Okay. So I made like this. Okay. And print from the 1st of January, and I can take description for the transaction.
It should automatically post this difference of exchange.
No, not automatic.
It should.
Revaluation.
It will not post.
Is a 50?
Let him run the transaction. Revaluation means what? It will go and put the difference in the invoice and cost account.
I understand, but this is a payment transaction.
So payment he has posted.
At the same time, it should compute how much exchange difference and post.
No, Afif. If you see the payment, it has captured 18,800.
Yes. And
invoice 18,750. So 50 is a difference. Correct? So payment is captured already 18,800 by 3.76.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yes.
And invoice is captured 3.75, 18,750. Now we are doing revaluation. To see the exchange difference should go to the right cost ledger.
Yes.
Clear now?
It's clear, but I'm thinking if this is the correct or not correct.
Correct is basically, see, there are two ways to do. One, you can do exchange difference account in general ledger. And second option is to post in the right ledger account where the invoice is posted. So we are running second option here.
Yeah, how I'm thinking is that at the time of the transaction, I should post this.
At the time of
Because this
transaction,
is realized already. This exchange difference, loss or gain, it's already realized. But the revaluation is at a certain period of time that is far from the time of the transaction. I'm revaluating an open balance I have at the time of I select, which is the period at the end of the period, to see at this date how much I have gain or loss, unrealized gain.
System will, as a period, as a foreign currency valuation, will calculate the profit and loss.
I know the system, but I'm taking it from a principle. At the time of the transaction, because now I already paid this invoice, so I should realize now the gain or loss on this transaction.
Correct.
If it's but the revaluation is something else. Is at a certain period of time, I'm checking how much I have
in foreign currency.
Yeah.
Suppose you got in your accounts $1 million as a balance of bank. As on January 1st, 2016, it was sitting 3.75.
Yeah.
Now at the closing of year, I have got $1 million, but the exchange rate has changed.
Okay.
Correct?
So
although I still carry the asset, I still carry the cash or bank balance. So the unrealized gain or loss on the currency, it should calculate. This is the second point. Right now, your exercise is to see.
Yeah.
You know,
by the way, while you enter the payment, the system will show the rate for the bank.
And I'm sure that there is when you posted the transaction, there is an entry for the exchange loss that happened. Or
no, if you go.
No. Okay, complete this one.
Okay.
Complete this one, you will see.
Okay.
Transaction time it was not posting. Shows the difference. It's not running.
Okay. Transactions. Invoice date. Date of flight. Consider the foreign currency valuation. Consider date rates. Voucher.
Put 28 February onto the transaction date. Transaction date put 28 February, if that is the case.
Transaction date is end of February. To consider date. Okay, make it 1st of February. Voucher. Transactions. Invoice date. Consider date. Refuge. See this calculated forex realized loss.
I think this is what's the time you generate.
Can you see the transaction into this account?
Posted
First February.
journal number, voucher. This is which account? This is vendor balance.
So subcontractor has been credited.
Yeah.
And cost.
Forex.
But it has not gone to the same ledger actually.
Forex realized loss.
Objective of doing this exercise, this goes to the same cost ledger. Okay, just go down. There is also debit. Go down, please.
Vendor account.
Fourth line.
Vendor
this
balance.
is AP subcontractors.
Yes.
I'm lost actually.
No, this is zero amount. This is credit.
But I'm talking fourth line, you're talking third line.
Yeah, this
go
one.
down, please, one more line.
This is different voucher. This is at the time.
What is doing?
Forex realized loss.
Okay, down.
And this is Forex realized loss.
So both are debited same. So effect is nullified. Same way party is
because I make multiple reconciliation. I make different reconciliation.
No.
Let's see
Transaction number is same, so you have done only once.
Let's see. Ledger.
Or either one transaction has posted at the time of capturing
No,
voucher as a
Mr.
fixed.
At the time of capturing invoice.
Yeah, that is what it is.
The payment.
As time of capture's payment calculated. Let's make another but it's not.
See, but this transaction, if you evaluate, it means nothing because it is reversing the same segment.
Yes.
Can you stay 1 minute?
This is.
Can we examine this? Okay, so stay one by one. Let's go.
Yeah.
Okay, select here the ledger account, line row number 1.
Yeah, it's
so
Forex realized loss.
Civil construction, California, construction department, okay, and it is debiting the cost, crediting the cost. First line is crediting the cost.
This is second line.
And what is this? Same segment it is?
Same segments. This is work, this is was.
1 second, stay there. All in US dollar. What is this amount and this amount?
Where?
First line, amount in reporting currency, amount.
Amount in reporting currency. And this amount, and this is amount, and amount. Only
so
this.
It is,
yeah.
What is this?
No, this is the amount. Okay, this is in reporting currency as a different currency, so we can depend on one of this only.
Correct.
Yeah.
So it is just showing a difference in currency. What is debit? What is credit?
So this is debit.
What is debit?
This one, Forex realized loss.
Okay, but the same is debit here also.
Where?
In the line number 2.
But here let's check on one column. Let's see one column. Let's track one column. This is debit and this is vendor balance now is credit.
Okay.
And this is in reporting currency as a $50 also.
Debit.
Okay. And the credit. So we can see amount and the amount in reporting currency.
But here, this is not credit.
Where?
This is credit, this is not credit. Reporting currency. What's the issue?
This is minus 50. And this is debit 50. Let's see the related
transaction currency, everything is 0.
transaction currency. Okay, let's see the trial balance. The trial balance here is shown as debit by 50, only 50.
That's correct.
Yes, that is correct.
where the invoice was.
The invoice?
Invoice was also in California compound. So
Yeah.
cost has gone to California compound.
Let's see the
by
invoice.
The name of this thing, right?
Let's see the invoice. Accounts payable. Or you can go to the vendor itself also. Vendor invoice. Sorry, not like this. Vendor transactions. This is the first one with 5,000 test currency. This one. We can see the voucher. Debit the cost by
That's
5.
Correct. Okay.
By 5,000 and credit the vendor by 5,000.
Correct.
Okay, this is the payment, which is vendor payment test voucher.
So it is going in the same segment as a realized loss.
Yeah, realized loss.
Cost is going in the same segment as a realized loss.
Yes.
So it doesn't, basically if I have say inventory, suppose I'm buying chillers from outside.
I can close this video.
Huh?
I close this video. It's okay.
Yeah. You're right. Yeah, so that the discussion doesn't.